Hey guys, it's Ann over at Plant Obsessed, and I'm doing an unboxing video on my new Acadia SUV. So here's my husband's new car here. Truck. And he's like, why don't you get a truck? It holds so much more. You just gotta know how to pack, right? Okay. Here are 30 bricks, and then if we go around to the back here, so sorry, remember how to open it. Then we have the sand and the pavers. It's got all kinds of doodads if I wanted to tie things up. There's the dogs, they're helping. Oh look, more bricks. So for scale, that's my hand. They're big freaking bricks. I paid to have the plastic liner put on there so that all the crap that I drag around, like sand and bricks and stuff, doesn't screw anything up. The seats fold flat, which is fabulous. So it has 2 rows of back seats. Lily, back off. You're not going anywhere. Get out from under there. Okay, we'll leave that open. They're pugs. They do what they want. And here we are in the front seat. Apparently Buddy is going to do some driving. One of the strange things about this is there's no gear shifter. This is the gear shifter. Reverse, drive, park. And then of course there's no key. You just start it. I shouldn't be telling you this because Buddy's listening and now she's going to take off with it. So it's got all the little doodads with, you know, the heat and the moving of the seat and everything, and all the electric, and you can change from 2-wheel drive to 4-wheel drive to, I don't know, go fast or something. It's not really relevant to me. Heat seaters, and then you've got all your action buttons up here on the dash to do things with stuff like turning your car into an Alexa thing, and you can hook your phone up to it and use all the apps on your phone, except for video apps. You can't watch YouTube going down the road. So you'll have to watch this knowing I won't be watching YouTube going down the road. All right. So let's see. It's got the whole, you know, don't switch lanes, somebody's in your lane thing. Yeah, I bought it used. So it's got a cute little grill on it. Looks cuter than the Acadia I had before. But yeah, this is the new SID vehicle for me. Anybody living in Central Illinois, hit up Jake Knapp at Lighthouse. No, I'm not getting a kickback from this. He's just, I bought cars from him before, and he's a great person, and it's a great facility. They do anything to help you. Alright guys, well if you liked the video, give me a muddy thumbs up, because this is where I drag all my worm stuff from. And if you are not a member of my family, click that subscribe button. And if you want to know what I'm doing when I'm doing it, ring that little bell icon. Alright guys, thanks for coming to my car unboxing, and everybody, have a good day.